Is this thing on? Oh, wait. Oh, hey, hi! Welcome back to Draw Kids. Today, we're drawing Raymond from Princess and the Frog. You know him better as Ray. So grab your art supply and let's roll down to the bayou. Okay, so here we are drawing Ray. Ray is going to be about this big on the paper. We're going to start from center and to the left. About 3/4 of the way up, we're going to start on his eyes. So he's got two eyes about right here. They're just circles. So let's draw a circle. And then right next to it, we're going to draw another circle, kind of behind it. Perfect. Next, we're going to draw his eyelids. So just little curves, kind of take up a little bit of that eyelid on the top and a little bit of that on the bottom. So we'll do that for both eyes. Just like that. And one more like that. Awesome. So inside those eyes, we're doing a circle. So about just like that. Inside of that, we're going to do another little circle. Good. Same thing on this side. Circle with the baby circle inside. Good. Now let's color that in. Awesome. So on the back here, let's do a little smile line for the back of his mouth. Now his mouth is going to go down, up, down, up. He's kind of got a goofy smile. So let's actually put another smile line here. So we're going to go down, up, and then down, up to that other smile line. Good. So here we're going to do the bottom side of his mouth. So we'll start here in the back corner and it's going to curve down just like that. So curving down and curving in and up just a little bit. We're not going to close that off. Next we're going to do his funny little teeth. So kind of like squares with rounded corners. Actually, let's start about right here. Do an upside down U, like that, and then a straight line on this side. Good. So another tooth here, upside down U, and then a straight line on this side. Perfect. And right here on this back side, we're going to do 3 rectangles. 1, 2, 3. Those are his back teeth. Good. So his gum line is going to go right behind that. So let's imagine it's going behind these things and we're going to go through the teeth, pretending like that line goes all the way through. Good. So that same idea for the bottom teeth. Let's do one tooth here. So let's do a U with a straight line. And then 2 more over here. Let this one be behind that. Good. They're kind of jaggedy. He's got funny teeth. And then we're going to do his gum line right behind that. Good. So now we can continue his mouth through the other side. So pretend like it's coming through here all the way to the other side. So let's connect that. So that's the other side of his mouth. Good. So next we're going to do his tongue. Just 2 little swoops on the inside. 1, 2. And there's his tongue. Awesome. So we're going to start with the side of his head over here right about where his eye is. We're just going to do a curve out and come back to about right here. So just a curve. Swoop. Good. Same thing on this side, except we're not closing it off. We're going to continue down. So from the side of his eye, we're going to curve out and down. Good. Let's start on this side of his mouth, and we're going to curve it down and almost come towards this line, but let's not close it off. So from here, we're going out, down a little bit. He's got a kind of little bit of a funny chin, and then come back up. Good. That's where his neck's going to be. So for his neck, let's just do a straight line like that on each side and then curve it up. Awesome. Next we're going to do his back wing. So let's kind of do a straight line across. So a straight line across, a straight line down, and then it'll be curved, almost like a beetle wing. Good. Next we're going to do his antennas. They're kind of like this. They're kind of jagged. So let's do a line up, kind of like that. And then a line this way, and then another one on the end. Good. So same thing, let's make it a little bit thick, a little bit thicker. So let's do a second line that follows this, but on the end there's a little nub. So let's do this. Follow, follow, almost to the end, and right at the end you kind of put it like a little nub. So we do the same thing with the other one. It's going to go just like that. So curve, curve, and down. This one will kind of have a little swoop. So let's follow that. Line, line, down, and at the very end you kind of put a little nub. Good. So next we're going to do his arms. So right here, about halfway down his back wing, we're going to do kind of like a little circle. And then we're going to do a U. This is going to be like where his arm attaches to his body. So next we're going to do a line about straight down about to here. This is about kind of where his bug elbow is. And then we're going to do a next line down to here. So it's kind of like an arm. So let's do the other side of the arm. Down, down. And then as for his hand, let's start it with a thumb. Just a curve down. And then now we're going to do 3 more fingers. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Now let's close that off. Perfect. So the same concept for a second leg. Let's do a U. And then do a circle around it. Good. Now this one is going to curve along. This is like a back leg. Just going to curve down. Just like that. Now this one's going to be skinnier to fatter. So start skinny and then get a little bit fatter towards the end. Good. Close that off. Now this one kind of has 2 big long toes. So big long ovals. 1, 2. Just like that. Good job. Next we're going to do the front side of his chest. So the front side of his chest is going to go behind his legs and then meet up back here. So from his neckline, kind of do a swoop down, go behind the leg, pretend like it's going through. Good. And then close this off back to the wing. Good job. So next we're going to do the other arm. It's going to look just like this one but on that side. You're not going to see the nub because this part of the body in the arm is on the other side where you can't see it. So let's continue the arm from here. So it's kind of scooping out. One more scoop out. And this one we're going to do like a fist. So let's make this little thumb. And then curve, curve. And let's close that off. Just like it's a little fist. Good. Next we're going to do the top part of the back of his light bulb. It almost looks like the top, it has a wing on it like a beetle. So we're going to do a line like this, a curved line. And we're going to kind of curve it up there, almost like a cap. Close that off. Good. So this kind of gives you an outline of what the bottom side is. The bottom side is going to be a little bit thicker, but it's just a circle, which is just completing a circle. We're going behind these legs all the way to here. Good. Next we're doing his other leg, the other hind leg. This one is going to go kind of the same, just like this, kind of hanging down. Getting a little bit thicker towards the bottom. Close it off. And then 2 hanging toes. 1, 2. Good. So for this, the butt part of the body, there's curves. So we're going to do 3 curves, just kind of going down. 1, 2, 3. Good. So what's Ray missing? Oh, he's missing his wings. So these wings are almost just like fly wings, except they're kind of raggedy because you know Ray, he's kind of raggedy. So this is going to be a curve like this, almost like a fly wing. So this same shape is going to be on the back side, but about halfway down we're going to leave a spot. We're going to skip that and go all the way down. So it's almost just like a fly's wing or butterfly's wing. For this part we're going to do a circle, kind of looking like it has a little chunk taken out of it. Good. And let's do 2 more circles in here. 1 there, and how about 1 right here? Nice. So for this wing, this one's going to go straight out like this. And then it's going to curve down just like that. It's also going to have a little bite taken out of it. So let's curve down, leave a spot, finish that line, and then do a little section where it's got a little piece taken out. About right here, we're going to do an oval. Oval. Nice. One more thing we missed, and that's Ray's hairstyle. His hair is kind of like a funky little hairstyle. So let's do this. Just curves. They don't have to be perfect. They could kind of go any direction. Do a couple of those. That's it. There's Ray. Let's color him. Thanks for joining us today on Draw Kids. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Y'all come back now, you hear?